Good morning. Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSC IIBF exam question and answer in English 2021. Presented by Lokhidev Das. 9101046197. Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center KCTC Okajan Santipur PO Okajan PS Silabasa District Dhamaji Assam PIN 787059. Question number 1. Which of the following definitions is most correct? UCPDC 500 is. Answer. Set of rules formed by ICC governing LC business globally. Question number 2. Currency notes are issued by. Answer. RBI. Question number 3. Bank does not give loans against. Answer. Lottery ticket. Question number 4. Bank having maximum number of branches in India. Answer. State Bank of India. Question number 5. 100 rupees rupee note is signed by. Answer. RBI Governor. Question number 6. Who is the present Governor of RBI? Answer. Shaktikanta Das. Question number 7. E or S means. Answer. Either or survivor. Question number 8. Bank does not provide loans for. Answer. Drinking and gambling. Question number 9. KYC means. Answer. Know your customer. Question number 10. PPF means. Answer. Public Provident Fund. Question number 11. Coins are issued by. Answer. Government of India. Question number 12. The Modern Bank Limited should have a minimum of rupees crores as share and capital at the rate of minimum of percentage respectively as per RBI guidelines applicable to Indian banks. Answer. 27,004.5%. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer. Foreign exchange markets are dynamic and round the clock markets. Question number 14. If the market notes USD/INR as 43.61/60, at what rate can you buy USD at the given quote? Answer. 43.60. Question number 15. Bank does not give loans against. Answer. Lottery ticket. Question number 16. A correspondent in Japan wants to fund his virtual account for rupees 10 million at USD/INR at 63.56/57 and JPY at 109.660/70. How much JYP should the correspondent pay into your Nastrio account with him assuming no means are loaded? Answers. 25 2,51,762. Question number 17. Minimum age required to open SBI account in the bank. Answer. 10 years. Question number 18. Highest denomination of currency notes issued by RBI is. Answer is rupees 1000. Question number 19. NR means. Answer. Non-resident Indian. Question number 20. PAN means. Answer. Permanent account number. Question number 21. Who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? Answer. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 22. Business correspondent means. Answer. An agent who provide banking services. Question number 23. Internet banking refers to. Answer. Operation of account through internet. Question number 24. Nomination once done can. Answer. Be cancelled. Question number 25. What is the amount of overdraft facility sanctioned under PMJDY is classified as Mudra loans under PMMY? Answers. 5,000. Question number 26. The loans sanctioned by banks /NBFCs MIFS on the after up to 10 lakhs for small business income derived activities are known as PMMY loans. Answer 8 April 2015. Question number 27. Who is eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of the following borrowers? Answer: small fruits vendors, vegetable sellers, etc. Question number 28. ATM means answer: automated teller machine. Question number 29. PMMY loan is given for which purpose? Answer: income generation purpose. Question number 30. What are the collateral security to be kept with banks for granting loans for MSE under PMMY? Answer: nil. Question number 31. From where the PMMY loans can be availed? Answer: public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, cooperative banks. Question number 32. What is the rule of Mudra under PMMY loans? Answer: act as the reference agency and reference to all banks, NBFS, MIFS for honored lending to customers under different categories of PMMY loans as per need of the customer. Question number 33. The borrowers can avail of the credit in a hassle-free and flexible manner with the Mudra card, which is a answer: debit card with a sanctioned limit. Question number 34. Mudra card is a debit card on which payment platform? Answer: RuPay. Question number 35. Who issues the Mudra card to a customer? Answer: banks, either directly or in association with MFLS. Question number 36. PMMY loans are applicable to answer all banks all over India. Question number 37. PPMY loans are provided for what tenure? Answer: depends on the cash flows of the business and is decided by the lending institution. Question number 38. What are the interest rate of PMMY loans executed by banks, NBFS, FMLS to the borrowers? Answer: responsible rate decided by lending banks, NBFS, MIFLS that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Question number 39. Where are the frequently asked questions FAQs on PMMY loans available for information of the lending institution public? Answer: Mudra website. Question number 40. Who monitors the implementation of PMMY progresses at the national level? Answer: Mudra Department of Financial Service. Question number 41. Simple project profiles for running or setting up a micro/small enterprises is available at Answer: Mudra website. Question number 42. Mudra has been set up by whom? Answer: Government of India. Question number 43. Maximum amount of check? Answer: no limit. Question number 44. PAN number is required for? Answer: deposit rupees 50,000 and above. Question number 45. TDS means? Answer: tax deducted at source. Question number 46. What is the purpose of which Mudra loan can be available for carrying on any activity related to? Answer: manufacturing, processing, trading, services. Question number 47. What does PMMY stand for? Answer: Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Question number 48. Loans of 5 lakhs is covered under which category? Answer Kishore. Question number 49. How much loan can be available under the Shishu category? Answer 50,000. Question number 50. What is the maximum loan amount available under PMMY? Answer 10 lakhs. Question number 51. Life insurance means answer insurance of human. Question number 52. Defaulter of loan means answer not paying loan installments. Question number 53. PMJDY LIC insurance of rupees 30,000 is available for first time account open. Answer BIT. When 15 August 2014 and 26 January 2015. Question number 54. Under APY, fixed pension can be chosen from answer rupees 1,000 to rupees 2,000, rupees 4,000 and rupees 5,000. Question number 55. Can an illiterate person be issued debit card? Answer yes. Question number 56. Under PMSBY, partial disability claim is available for answer rupees 1 lakh. Question number 57. Under PMSBY, an accidental death claim is available for answer rupees 2 lakhs. Question number 58. What is the validity period of the check? Answer 3 months from the date of issue. Question number 59. Which type of deposit earn a higher interest rate? Answer fixed deposit. Question number 60. What is the Pradhan Mantri Jaban Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY? Answer covers life insurance up to 2 lakhs. Question number 61. What is the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? Answer accidental insurance cover. Question number 62. What is the minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? Answer no minimum deposit required. Question number 63. What is the maximum amount of deposits acceptable in small accounts? Answer rupees 50,000. Question number 64. Who is Bank Metro? Answer banking correspondence engaged by banks. Question number 65. What is the meant by Aadhaar sending? Answer linking of Aadhaar with bank account. Question number 66. What is the direct benefit transfer IMP CSC TEC examination latest question and answer key? Answer transfer of social benefit subsidiary directly into bank accounts of beneficiary. Question number 67. Maximum tenure of fixed deposit is answer 10 years. Question number 68. As per Reserve Bank of India directives, the minimum capital accurate rate and minimum tier 1 capital the modern bank is required to maintain as on 31st March 2007 should be respectively. Answer 9% and 4.5%. Question number 69. Interest rate of risk is type of answer market risk. Question number 70. If the validity per annum is 25% and number of trading days per annum is 252, found the validity per day. Answer 1.58%. Question number 71. Contents of locker are answer only no to higher. Question number 72. Net interest income is answer difference between interest earned and interest paid. Question number 73. MGNREGS stand for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generate Scheme. Question number 74. Interest on FDIS is correspondent on answer quarterly basis. Question number 75. Fixed deposit can answer withdrawal before maturity. Question number 76. Upon direction of a counterfeit note at the counterbank, deposit are paid. Question number 27. Melted notes. Answer can be exchanged at bank. Question number 78. Interest on having bank. Answers half yearly. Question number 79. Accounts payable check can be paid. Answer by deposit in bank account. Question number 80. Payment of check can be stopped by. Answer drawer of check. Question number 81. Based on the gross income given above, the likely capital charges for Modern Bank Limited as of March 31st, 2007 to cover operational risks under basis indicator approach small b. Answer 450 crores. Question number 82. The Modern Bank Limited will require total capital funds for covering credit risks as of March 31st, 2007 to completely based to norms of rupees crores. Answers 54,000 crores. 5,400 crores. Question number 83. All PMMY loans will be governed by, formatted by Mudra in consultation with DFS rating agencies MFI and SA Dharna and other stockholders for adoption by all the lending institutions. Answer Mudra loans charter. Question number 84. The Basel Committee has defined gross income as net interest income and false net non-interest income and has allowed each relevant national supervisor to define gross income in accordance with the prevailing accounting practice. Accordingly, the Reserve Bank of India in the draft guidelines issued on 11 March 2005 for implementation of the new capital adequacy framework has modified the gross income definition slightly. The net interest income has been replaced by answer net profit. Question number 85. We should keep our saving with banks because option A, it is safe, option B, earn interest, option C, can be withdrawn anytime, option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 86. ATM password is to be shared only with option A, spouse, option B, obedient son, option C, obedient daughter, option D, none of above. The right answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 87. Nomination can be done in option A, saving bank account, option B, recurring deposit account, option C, fixed deposit account, option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 88. Is the logo 88 is the logo of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Option A, option B, Central Bank of India, option C, Reserve Bank of India, option D, none of the above. The right answer is none of the above. The question number 89. Loans from money lenders are option A, with a high rate of interest, option B, non-proper accounting, option C, no transparency, option D, all of the above. Question number 90. Timely repayment of loan issued. Option A, good reputation. Option B, not tension, easily available by loan of future. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 91. Defaulter of loan means option A, not paying loan installments, option B, bad reputation, option C, illegal activities, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 92. General insurance related to insurance agent. Option A, fire, option B, theft, option B, burglary, option D, all of the above. Question number 93. Aadhaar is option A, 12-digit number card, option B, identity proof of issue, option UIDI by issue, Option C, both A and B. Option none of the above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 94. Which is the prohibited for writing on currency notes? Option A, political message. Option B, religious message. Option C, personal message. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 95. PAN means a kind of utensil. Option B, primary account number. Option C, none of the above. The right answer is option C, none of the above. Question number 96. Which currency note has security trade? Option A, rupees 50. Option B, rupees 100. Option C, rupees 500. Option D, all of the above. Question number 97. Gold and silver ornaments should be kept in bank's locker. Option A, it is a safe. Option B, no risk of thief. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 98. Bank passbook is option A, issued by bank. Option B, contains transaction details of bank account. Option C, shows balance in the account. Option D, all of the above. Right, the right answer D, all of the above. Question number 99. Education loan. Option A, cover tuition fees and expenses. Option B, are repayable after completion of process. Option C, granted for study in India and abroad. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 100. Who can open a bank account? Option A, Indian citizen. Option B, non-resident Indian. Option C, illiterate. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 101. Bank draft is issued by option A, private sector banks. Option B, regional rural banks. Option C, public sector bank. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 102. Self-help group involves option A, group of 5 to 20 people. Option B, regular saving habits. Option C, entire lending with group members. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 103. Payment of check can be stopped by option A, beneficiary. Option B, nominee. Option C, drawer of check. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 104. While making nomination, a signature of a nominee is required on option A, account opening form. Option B, nomination form. Option C, affidavit. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 105. ATM can be issued for option A, cash withdrawal. Option B, account inquiry. Option C, statement of account. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Thank you.